New Zealand now has a warmer than average airflow for the next couple of days, but it's about to get colder on Thursday. Hello, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks for joining us. We are tracking another area of warm, for this time of the year anyway, warm nor'westers and northerlies coming down across the country out of the subtropics, all thanks to the big high that gave us the frosty weekend. So now it's out to the east, the next high building over Australia, and in between the two, we've got this system in the Southern Ocean which is going to rear its cold head on Thursday, bringing in snow and a big temperature drop for the South Island. So let's try and make sense of that. We'll start with the temperatures. Having a look at the departure from normal, this is for today, Tuesday. Look at the South Island, mostly red, 4 to 8 degrees above normal, and this area here, over 8 degrees above normal. So we'll be seeing places into the 20-degree mark over the next couple of days. The North Island's also warmer than average in most places. As we head to Wednesday, it is very similar to Tuesday. Warmer than average again. Still, parts of Christchurch might be over 8 degrees above normal for this date, this time of the year. The North Island again, warmer than average on Wednesday, even warmer in fact as we go through Wednesday than Tuesday. However, look at Thursday. And that's the big change that's coming through. So these areas in blue, 4 to 8 degrees below normal. So it's a bit of a swing around for the Canterbury region, and the North Island actually still leans a little bit warmer than average. The areas you see in green colouring, that's not on the key. That's because they don't actually have colouring. That's the satellite map of the ground. So if you don't see colouring, like you see the green areas, you've got bang on normal temperatures. So let's try and make sense of what is coming through. Here is the setup for Wednesday, stuck between two very big, powerful high pressure systems. And in between the two, subtropical weather coming down for the north, and here comes that cold front. You can see the blue line, much colder temperatures behind that system. So that is Wednesday. Thursday, you can see the dark blue line going right up to Cook Strait. It will be a much colder change on Thursday. The South Island will have snow, heavy at times through the mountains and ranges, single-digit daytime highs in a number of places, and the North Island gets rain again. There's sort of a low-pressure system in here. 1018 is not low pressure though. That's the central air pressure in there. So very high pressure. This next high, nearly 1040. I mean, these highs are absolutely enormous and powerful for this time of the year. Now, as we go in towards the afternoon, Thursday afternoon, the winds are pretty strong. That southerly change coming in on Thursday PM through Cook Strait, the areas around the Marlborough Sounds there in purple, that's winds of 100 k's an hour, so pretty blustery conditions just through the usual areas. And we've also got snow. This is the 3-day accumulation going from now until Friday morning, and through the Southern Alps, especially just inland from Kaikoura, you could be getting half a metre of snow or maybe even more than that up in the mountains. Let's carry on into Friday. So that very weak area of low pressure, which is technically not a low, is sitting over the upper North Island with the big high to the west and the big high to the east. Subtropical weather coming down that side. That's why we've got rain and a cooler change over on that side. So into the weekend, it doesn't change a great deal. That weak system sits to the north, and the northeasterly flow with the showers just sits out to the east. So you're going to find this will move around a little bit more because it's pretty weak, that setup. And our final map for Sunday shows it's still stuck there. We've still got that northeast flow, which could be bringing in some rain or showers around Hawke's Bay and Gisborne, which would be quite good. More high pressure just to the south there. And when you go out, low pressure, high pressure, low pressure. So we've got a good variety of air pressure systems. The final thing I want to show you before I go, we've got this news story up at the Weather Watch website, or you can get it on our free app in the news section. New Zealand's weird winter continues with these huge highs doing more good than they are doing harm, and that's because we're getting rain. One high on that side pulling down warm weather, the other high on the other side brings up cooler weather, and it's sitting right over the top of New Zealand. So please take a look at that story if you need more information. And that is all from me. I'll see you again tomorrow with the latest.